Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. This is a little video of a 987 Cayman. We fitted it's the Cayman S. We fitted a DMX8021DABS into this car. Jump in, there we are. So we've even got the Porsche logo at the top here with a nice fitted fascia. This stereo's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless and wired, and we've got a USB in the glove box for charging and wired CarPlay and Apple Android Auto. This also got a reverse camera linked up to it, as you can see here. It's a really nice feature on these because it's quite hard to see out the back window when you're reversing. If you'd like to have this done in your Porsche Cayenne, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.